How to reduce backup files and restore previous versions in Revit. Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we'll show you how to reduce the number of backup files and restore previous versions in Revit. So, let's begin. When you save a model, Revit makes a backup copy of the previous version of the model, that is, the model before the current save. This backup copy has the name, model name.4-digit number. The 4-digit number shows how many times Revit has saved that model up to the current version. For example, 0001 indicates the first backup, 0002 the second, and so on. The backup file resides in the same folder as the model. For example, if the maximum is 3 backup files, but the folder currently contains 5 backup files, Revit will automatically delete the oldest 2 backup files to maintain the set maximum. By default, non-work shared projects have 3 backups, while work shared projects can have up to 20 backups. Now we will reduce the maximum number of backup files. Click on File, Save As, Project, and a window will open showing the location of the current file. In this window, click on Options to open the File Save options. We can see several options. We are interested in maximum backups. The maximum backups option specifies how many backup files Revit keeps. It is currently set to 20, and we will reduce it to 3. We can also adjust the thumbnail preview. This option specifies the preview image that appears when you open or save a project. The default value for this option is Active View Sheet. Let's change it to a 3D view. Click OK, then save. Now we can see that the thumbnail shows the 3D view. If we want to restore the model to an earlier version, we open the backup file we want to use. Then, click Save As and save the file under the same name as the original model, without the backup number. This way, we replace the current version of the model with the selected backup, effectively restoring the model to its previous state. After saving over the original file, Revit automatically creates a new backup, so the next backup copy appears as 0002, continuing the backup sequence. Since we didn't make any changes in the newer version, Revit didn't show any warning when we saved over the file to restore it to a previous version. However, if we make a change and save it, then open an older backup, 0002, and try to save it over the latest model. Revit will display this warning. This warning appears because the backup you're trying to save doesn't include changes made in the current file. Revit wants to prevent you from accidentally overwriting newer work. And that's it. We hope this tutorial helps you improve your Revit workflow. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.